Hello everyone. Question is a vSphere cluster has the following configuration. Virtual machines VMs are running production and test workloads vSphere distributed resource scheduler DRS is enabled. There are no resource pools in the cluster. Performance monitoring data shows that the production workload VMs are not receiving their fully allocated memory when the vSphere cluster is fully utilized. A combination of which two steps could the administrator perform to ensure that the production VMs are always guaranteed the full allocation of memory? Option A. Assign a custom memory share value to the resource pool containing the production VMs. Option B. Assign a memory reservation value to the resource pool containing the production VMs. Option C. Create a parent resource pool for the production VMs. Option D. Create a sibling resource pool for each of the production and test VMs. Option E. Create a child resource pool for the test VMs. Correct answer is option B and option D. Question is which two data store types store the components of a virtual machine as a set of objects? Option A. VMware Virtual Machine File System VMFS. Option B. VMware vSAN. Option C. Network File System NFS3. Option D. vSphere Virtual Volumes vVols. Option E. Network File System NFS 4.1. Correct answer is option B and option D. Question is an administrator creates a virtual machine that contains the latest company approved software, tools, and security updates. Company policy requires that only full clones are allowed for server workloads. A combination of which two tasks should the administrator complete to prepare for the deployment of this virtual machine for multiple users? Select two options. Option A. Set appropriate permissions on the virtual machine. Option B. Create a virtual machine customization specification. Option C. Upgrade the virtual hardware. Option D. Convert the virtual machine to a template. Option E. Take a snapshot of the virtual machine. Correct answer is option B and option D. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is during the staging of a patch on a vCenter appliance, an error was encountered and the process stopped. An administrator resolved the root cause and is ready to continue with the staging of the patch. From the vCenter management interface, which action should the administrator take to continue the process from the point at which the error occurred? Option A. Use the stage and install option to resume the staging. Option B. Use the resume option to resume the staging. Option C. Use the unstage option to restart the staging. Option D. Use the stage only option to restart the staging. Correct answer is option B. Question is an administrator is adding a new ESXi host to an existing vSphere cluster. When selecting the cluster, the administrator is unable to use the cluster quick start workflow to add and configure the additional host. What could be the root cause of this issue? Option A. The administrator has previously dismissed the cluster quick start workflow. Option B. The administrator must manually add the host to the cluster before using the cluster quick start workflow. Option C. The administrator has not been assigned the required permissions to use the cluster quick start workflow. Option D. The administrator must enable the cluster quick start workflow option in the VMware vCenter. Correct answer is option A. Question is, a company has two sites, Site A and Site B. The administrator would like to manage the VMware vCenter inventories in both sites from a single vSphere client session. Which vCenter feature must be configured? Option A, VMware Certificate Authority. Option B, VMware Site Recovery Manager. Option C, vCenter Single Sign-On. Option D, Enhanced Linked Mode. Correct answer is option D. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.